In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove game files from SteamTool, so just follow these steps carefully. Now, the first thing you want to do is open File Explorer on your computer. Now, once File Explorer opens, click on this PC and then open your C drive, or the drive where Steam is installed. Now, inside the drive, go to Program Files x86. Now, scroll down and look for the Steam folder and open it. Now, once you're inside the Steam folder, look at the top and find the folder called Config and open it. Now, inside the Config folder, you'll see multiple folders, and one of them will be called STUI. Now, double-click on the STUI folder. Now, inside this folder, you'll see multiple files and folders, so what you want to do is select all of them. Now, once everything is selected, just delete all the files. Now, after deleting them, you're done. All SteamTool game files will be removed. And that's it. It's that simple. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.